Hello guys, welcome to Mathssupport. So in this session, we will discuss about divisibility by 7, 13, 17 and 19 because these are special divisor for any kind of division. So let's start with the divisibility by 7. Now for every number, I will give you a special code to remember the divisibility for this number. So first of all, you will need to remember this code for 7, that is -2. Now how to use this code? So let's start with one example. Suppose you want to check whether 343 is divisible by 7 or not. So what you need to do is every time we are starting with the first digit, means you are taking first digit and multiplying it with 2. So you are here first digit is 3, so it will be 6 over here, and you are subtracting this number from the remaining number. So if you are selecting 3, then remaining number will be 34. So you are getting here 34 minus 6, and whatever number you are getting over here, you need to check whether it is divisible by 7 or not. If this number is divisible by 7, then your previous number will be divisible by 7. So here 28 is divisible by 7, so 343 is also divisible by 7. Let's start with another example. Suppose you want to check for 945. So as per the code, we are starting from the first digit, so it will be 5 to the 10. We are subtracting this number from the remaining number, that is 94. So here you are getting 84. Now you need to check whether 84 is divisible by 7 or not. So 84 is divisible by 7, so your original number 945 is also divisible by 7. That's all. Now suppose you wanna check for 1721, then we are selecting first digit, multiplying with 2, so 1 to the 2, and subtracting this number for the remaining number. So here remaining number is 172, so here you are getting 170. Now you need to continue this process till you are not getting 2-digit number. So again we are doing selecting first digit, so remaining number is 17, and multiplying to this, so it will be 0. So 17 minus 0 is 17. Now here you are getting 2-digit number, so check whether it is divisible by 7 or not. So this number is not divisible by 7, so your original number is also not divisible by 7. That's all. Now let's say divisibility by 13. So first of all, we'll discuss about code for 13, that is +4, but procedure will be same. So suppose you want to divide 195, means you need to check whether this number is divisible by 13 or not. So we are selecting first digit. Now code is +4, that means what? We are multiplying this number with the 4. So 5 4s is 20. Now this time we are adding this number to the remaining number, that is 19. So result will be 39. So now this number is divisible by 13, that means what? Your original number will also be divisible by 195, that is divisible by 13. Suppose you wanna check for 3146. So we are selecting first digit, so 6 4s are, that is 24, and adding this number to the previous one, that is 314. Now this addition will result 338. Now again this is 3-digit number, so we are continuing our process. So first digit is 8, so you are multiplying with 4, that is 32, and previous digits are 33, so addition will result 65. That means 65 is divisible by 13, that means your previous digit, that is original number, is also divisible by 13. So I think you all get the process now, because you are the member of Mathssupport. So what we are doing, we are just writing down the codes of all the numbers, that is special numbers. So here you need to remember this code, -2 +4 -5 +2 and +7 for this number. And what is the process? Procedure is that we are every time selecting the first digit, and using the code we are converting that particular number into 2-digit number, and at the end whatever 2-digit you are getting, you need to check whether it is divisible by particular number. If you are checking for 17, then you need to check whether it is divisible by 17. If you are checking for 19, you need to check whether it is divisible by 19. If it is so, then your original number is also divisible by that number. So this is a very simple method to get the divisibility test for all these special number. Thank you.